Nerf gun challenge, and this is every man's home service.
Nerf gun
Subscribe and
challenge.
like our video.
And this is my video, and I invite all of these people.
I was already in it.
Yeah, she was, but them two wasn't.
Okay, my brother over there, he's
12:36, who's hungry?
come on after this video. Come on, ready,
It's 12:36, who's hungry?
set,
No, we're not doing anything.
Oi!
shush, don't yell. 1 minute.
Two phones.
Okay, ready, set, come on, you're a show off. Stop being a show off. Y'all gotta separate. Everybody separate.
Move from here, walk!
Hi, babes.
Hi, babe, bye. You know, Offset and Cardi B got married. They got a baby, a boy though. Hey, have a. Okay, the game is starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye, each.
I'm right here!
Go. I got EJ.
Y'all just shooting me?
Right, I got you, Lil.
Who's shooting me?
It's only me and Princess left. The 2 girls left. The boys are down.
No! Hey, man, I got 2 phones, y'all!
I won!
No, you did not, you cheater.
I'm just playing. We're doing it again because we get 2 rounds. 3 rounds. That was first round. First round, Princess won because she shot me in my head. So Princess won the first round. Second round, go. Bye.
No, I got your headshot!
You had to do that.
You had to do that, and I got you up. Well, you got it. Hold it.
No, this Fortnite. This Fortnite.
Let me get that gun.
No! I shot you in the back. Oh my god, I gotta drop my gun. I gotta drop my gun to the little guy. Give me them. Where's those guns? Princess won. Princess won. Princess won the second round. If she won this 3rd round, she wins the whole $20.
Yes. Woo, bye-bye.
Let's have this round over. Me. Come on, Eve. If Princess win, she win the whole $20.
$20? I don't got no $20 for y'all.
I do.
Hey. Hey.
My mom's gonna come the war for $20. She's gonna be here in a while. Start! E! You've been starting.
Yeah, suckers.
My brother's an idiot.
Uh-oh, UFO.
I just have to say, he's not really an idiot, but he just do stuff that makes him look like an idiot.